This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling essentials and logging in right away. You must upload a clear passport photo and signature. That speed prevents rejection. Next, verify your ID proof matches the application exactly, because mismatches cause delays. Once done, create or confirm your account with an active email and phone so you receive OTPs. Make sure to save the login. Finally, keep your payment method and program codes on hand to proceed without interruption. Now you fill the form meticulously. Enter names, parents' names, and academic records exactly as certificates read, because later verification is strict. When choosing course codes and exam centers, pick the nearest available and double-check codes. This avoids transfer requests. Upload each document in the required resolution and format, then use the preview to confirm clarity and orientation. Pause between sections to review. Small typos or wrong dates are common and can force correction. To finish, make the fee payment and keep the transaction ID visible. Payments clear your submission. After payment, review the summary page line by line, because this is your last chance to catch mistakes. Submit and immediately download or screenshot the confirmation and filled form PDF for your records. If you spot an error later, use the official correction window if available. Otherwise, contact the helpline with your application ID and receipt. Quick action often resolves most submission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.